This video explains how the supervisory alarm zone style operates, including alarm counts, detector promotion, and examples of different zone configurations. In software version 12.3.38 and later, there is a zone style called supervisory alarm. This style requires all inputs to be supervisory, while any output is allowed. The minimum alarm count is 2 and it can be set as high as 10. By default, the zone is non-latching. If it is set to latching, the supervisory condition will not clear automatically. The alarm count includes only input types with a toggleable supervisory option, such as PAD-PD smoke detectors or the heat element of a PAD-PHD. Inputs that cannot switch between alarm and supervisory, such as this contact input supervisory, are not counted. Once the alarm count is reached, active supervisory detectors are promoted to alarms. When a detector is promoted, the point or zone becomes latching and requires a panel reset. If a supervisory contact input activates, active detectors are promoted immediately. Low temperature events, though supervisory, do not trigger outputs and are not eligible for promotion. If a detector remains active after a panel reset, it will immediately return to alarm instead of supervisory status. Example 1 shows 2 detectors operating in a 2-count supervisory alarm zone. When detector 1 activates, the panel displays a supervisory event. If detector 1 restores, the panel returns to normal. When detector 2 activates, the panel displays a supervisory event. If detector 1 activates while detector 2 is still active, the 2-count requirement is met. Detector 1 is immediately promoted to alarm, and detector 2 clears its supervisory state and is promoted to alarm as well. At this point, the zone outputs activate. Example 2 shows a detector assigned to multiple zones. Zone blue is set to a 2-count, and zone green is set to a 3-count. If detectors 1 and 2 activate, zone blue becomes active. If detector 3 activates, the panel displays a supervisory event because the 3-count threshold for zone green has not been met. When detector 4 activates, it is promoted to alarm. Detector 3 then clears its supervisory state and is promoted to alarm as well. At this stage, zone green becomes active. If detector 4 restores and the user presses reset, zone green clears. However, any detector that has been promoted will remain an alarm if the condition is still present after the reset. For more information about Potter products, please visit our website at pottersignal.com. To access additional training resources, check out our online training portal at academy.pottersignal.com. Stay connected with us on social media for the latest updates and news.